Last week, the boys and I went on a February hike in the Columbia River Gorge. Oregon claims the best side of the gorge, having beautiful dramatic basalt cliffs and dozens upon dozens of waterfalls all along the gorge from west to east. Interstate 84 runs along this side of the gorge, and a paved bike path follows along the gorge, allowing for easy access to all of these waterfalls. In simply 1 hour, my boys and I were able to see 3 breathtaking waterfalls, all by just stopping at a small rest stop. The first and best of these waterfalls is Starvation Creek Falls, cascading among huge moss-covered boulders. The actual state park is Starvation Creek Falls State Park. We then walked half a mile west along the bike path until we came to our next 2 waterfalls. The first of these is Cabin Creek Falls, which really is a unique waterfall along the gorge. Absolutely great for kids. The reason why is because it literally has a cabin, so to speak. It has a cove that you can walk right into and crawl inside and explore. The kids went berserk. They loved this waterfall. You can actually hike right up behind the waterfall, but there isn't a lot of space and it can get kind of muddy. I was the only adult on hand, so we kept our distance. But to sit there and just take in the wonder, the enormous block of basalt that had fallen free from the cliff at some point, all of the greenery, it was simply just what you hope for when you go to the gorge. The kids loved this waterfall more than all of the 3. We then went on to Hole-in-the-Wall Falls, which I was intrigued by, and we just had to go the full half mile to get there. And yeah, it is just what it says. It's a hole in the wall. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but it was pretty cool. Then we began to walk our way back. It was just a half mile in which we saw 3 waterfalls. And yeah, the traffic noise is a little difficult, but all in all, it's incredible. And I'm thankful to live in such a beautiful place.